Ken Gibb is the kind of coach parents hope their kids play for. He knows his hockey, there's no doubt about that. But Gibb, who coached minor hockey in Etobicoke and Markham for some 35 years, also knows that success on the ice fades away, while success in life is what truly counts. Ken Gibb's coaching career started in the mid-1950s with a junior team that played at Lakeshore Arena. Right from the get-go, Ken always went further than the average volunteer. He never charged anyone a single penny to play on his hockey teams. Through donations from his clients at Ken Gibb Real Estate Insurance, Ken made sure every child deserving of a spot on the roster got one, even if his parents couldn't afford the luxury. And his commitment did not stop there. Gibb would routinely drive across town to pick up his players for games and practices. He would also seek out the league's so-called problem players, those with discipline and behavioral issues, and help them straighten out. Where others saw a kid beyond help, Ken Gibb saw a person in need of support. Coach Gibb stressed the fundamentals, and if anyone did not work hard during a game, he had to skate hard in practice. After all, he valued education and would have been thrilled if everyone on his team could go on to post-secondary studies. Ken coached all levels up to midget before eventually becoming coach and general manager of the Royal York Royals Provincial Junior A team in 1976. After a long association with the Royals, Gibb became coach and general manager of the Junior A Markham Waxers in the early 1980s. His last team was the Dixie Beehives. He still jokes that he did such a poor job with them, they tore the rink down. Now at 85, he focuses on a few special players, namely his grandsons. And he still shows that giving spirit by giving back to the community through his company, which has sponsored many Etobicoke sports teams. 2010 Etobicoke Sports Hall of Fame inductee, Ken Gibb.